Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for September 26, 2024. It is 10:15 and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.6% to 57.54. We did open with a large gap to the upside today, reaching a high of 57.67, just beyond the one-day implied move of 57.62. That is one standard deviation. We are overbought, 5-minute, 15-minute time frame. And we're seeing that overbought sell-off at the open, which is actually quite common when you get these large gap up days. The question becomes, are we going to see follow-through on this cycle? How much downside is there going to be? That's the big question mark here. Short is clearly counter trend because it is quite bullish at this juncture. ADD plus 1300, gross sectors positive, mags up 0.6%. VIX kind of all over the place here. It's muted, but we've seen a green to red move, red to green move. So I think downside and upside is actually both in question here. On the upside, if we look at 0DTE options positioning, 57.80 is that max call. We generally regard that as upper bound. As far as the downside goes, 57.50 is the max put. Technically not, because we have these. We got a lot of put volume down here at 56.70 type zone, but these could be more hedges. I think kind of a question mark there. But if we do break that 57.50 handle, it opens the door to 57.35, 57.25, and then gap fill at 57.22. Again, this could exhibit pinning into, well, today and into that expiration date of 9/30. So that is the JP Morgan short call position, 45,000 contracts. Just to give you a different visual of that 57.50 strike, it is massive in terms of gamma. It is the strike with the highest call gamma, meaning anything above it is classified as overbought from an options positioning perspective. It is also the strike with the highest total gamma, calls plus puts, meaning we could see pinning behavior kind of in and around that strike into that expiration date. I know I have a butterfly centered at 57.50 here today. That was bought in yesterday's session near that 5700 handle in the late afternoon. So I think good potential for a pin. Not going to be the best handle to structure trades off of. It is prone to breaks in both directions. So just bear that in mind if you are managing positions. If you'd like to learn 3 option strategies that our traders use to generate consistent profits with 0DTE options, along with a repeatable process on how to trade these strategies effectively, join the team at 0DTEtraders.com.